Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make delicious and easy keto egg pasta from scratch. Ingredients: 1 to 1 halves cream cheese, a plain, 2 large eggs, and high fair PSP, arrowroot, powder pinch of salt. These are the products which are used in this video. I will post the product link in the description below.
You'll want to have your eggs and cream cheese at room temperature, so just take them out about 30 minutes before you're ready to get started. So to get started, I add 2 room temperature eggs to my blender, followed by 1.5 ounces of cream cheese. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the arrowroot. That'll be 1/4 teaspoon of arrowroot, and then a pinch of salt. Simple recipe. Next, I'll blend the mixture starting at low speed all the way up to the highest blender speed and leave it blending for about a minute until it's completely combined and smooth. Once your mix is ready, go ahead and pour it onto a parchment lined pan. I initially had the parchment paper cut larger than the pan. I thought that the hangover would kind of help the mixture from getting all into the pan and maybe breaking the pasta, but instead it just blew the parchment onto the top of the pasta, and that would have caused another problem of sticking. Just cut the parchment paper to the size of your pan. I cut my noodles to a width of about 1/4 inch. You can go a little smaller or a little bigger if you like, but I found that this was a pretty good size. I was out of pre-made Alfredo sauce and didn't have all the exact ingredients to do it from scratch, but I did have this mix on hand, so I used that along with about a tablespoon of Kerrygold butter and a 1/4 cup of heavy cream to make the sauce base. It came out delicious just the same. Once I combine the noodles and sauce, I go ahead and top the pasta with a little bit of fresh thyme that I'm growing in my micro garden. I'm excited about that. I haven't always had a green thumb, but a little extra commitment and the help of my AeroGarden hydroponic grower are making me very hopeful that I'm going to have success with these herbs and a bunch of vegetables I'd like to start trying to grow. So it's just as easy as that. Homemade keto pasta that I hope your family will love. I hope you guys make this recipe and enjoy it. And of course, as always, my Diva family, stay safe and be well.
If you are looking for a natural weight loss solution, then click link in the video description below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like